Hello, today we'll learn how to create a PDF or Word document inside of the process. Now, we decided that it should be really easy, and it is, but the only difficult thing is to understand how actually we convert the Word template to a document in our system. So I'll start with just creating an outgoing document process very quickly. You already know how to do it, so I'll just show you very quickly. I make a new process, outgoing process, and of course I'll base it now on an outgoing letter. And in a diagram, as you know, I start with a start, then I want one activity, another, and finish. Great. Now let's set it quickly. A start is just a start. Activity 1 is creating reply, and I want a button with a name here, create PDF, right? Okay, and this is an activity of a person, so I need an executor of the process owner. Brilliant. And in here I can just move it a little with drag and drop so it looks better. I will do now an activity of creating a PDF, and this activity I'll call create PDF, and the type is exactly the same. I look on the list and it's a generate PDF Word document. Now, as it is automatic action, I do not have to put any path name. Press save. It is actually a good advice to save your work from time to time so you don't lose it. And now the most important part. Look, I go inside of this one into activity settings of generate PDF, and what I need to add a template. I have one prepared, right? And now it's a key moment. So the outgoing letter is a Word document created by us as a template, and to do it, I'll show you in Word. This is how it looks like. All these fields in here are already set by us, so it looks like a letter, and it gets the data from our form and puts on the PDF. Now, how to do it, how to add all these fields, it's extremely easy. You go into insert in here, and then you go quick parts and field. In the list of names, you look for merge field, and you put any name you want. Now, at this moment, you have already created a merge field on the template, and we are able now in NAVIGATOR365 to put some data inside of this space on your template. So let's go back, and now if I added here a template, now I can get the data from this template. And as you can see, I have exactly the same fields like company name, address, get already from the template. Let's press save and go back inside, and now I will need, this is actually the only work the citizen developer really need to do in here, is to decide on what we want to see on each of these spaces. So the company name, for example, I will take, I will enter by hand. And document date, I can easily extract from the available list of fields of my document. Okay, now I will go quickly through all of others. Right, press save and have a look. I have put the details of my company by hand, but all the other data I will extract from the document I'm on with the process. The title, as a reference number, I use the title of my document, and as a content of the letter, I use the reply section on my document. You will see it in a second when I do the test. Now we need to save this file somewhere, so we'll save it in attachments, and also we decide if we want a PDF or a document Word, and also we want a name in here. So let's put the name again. From my letter I want a title. Right, so let's press save. The process is already quickly done. Now, as you remember from other tutorials, I need to set now the dashboard button, a new outgoing letter, and in here we want the process to be run, the new outgoing process we have just created. Brilliant. So let's press save, finish, and let's do the test. All right. Okay. We want a document date of today, and we would like to have a department and me. Zoe Roberts, contractor would be this one, and the reply. Right. So let's save it. As you can see, the workflow has started. We are on a creating reply moment. So the Zoe has now the ability to change something, to add more replies and write the full letter. And once she's ready, she puts create PDF, and the system very quickly creates a beautiful document in here based on the form we have designed before. So as you can see, it is as easy as it is to create a document, to create a PDF document inside of the process. Thank you very much for watching, and check other tutorials we have.